Hello, Weekend Crafter. Welcome or welcome back to the Craft Time Studio. This is Anne, your Weekend Crafter, and for this weekend, I'm going to share with you the first of my color recipes for autumn. It's still a bit early, but I see that many of you are starting on your fall collections, so these recipes might come in handy. If it's your first time on my channel, let me just say that before I do any project, I clean my work surface first. I work on a glass mat, which is very easy to clean. I just spray it with some alcohol and wipe it down. I also usually prepare my reference colors. Here are our colors again: Dreamy Peach, First Blush, Warmelon, Ocean Deep, and Citronella. For the first three colors, you will need Premo in White, Souffle in Cherry Pie, Premo in Sunshine, and Souffle in Pumpkin. When I roll out my clay, I make sure that all of them are rolled out into the same thickness using the same cutter. I am placing my pasta machine in the number 2 setting. Cut one part white. Then, cut the cherry pie red into 16 equal pieces and get a piece of this to mix with the white. It takes very little red to make a pastel color. Cut the sunshine yellow into eighths. Finally, cut a 16th part of pumpkin. And there you have it, Dreamy Peach. Let's make a color check, and as you can see, we've made a match. For the next color, which is First Blush, you will need 1 part Sculpey Premo in White. Next, mix in 1/8 part of cherry pie. Add in 1/8 of sunshine. Finally, mix in 1/8 parts souffle and pumpkin. For the last of the peachy hues, let's make warm melon. You will need 1 part of Premo in white. Mix in 2/8 part of red. This is followed by 1/8 part of sunshine and 1/8 part of pumpkin. Now we're moving on to the more autumn hues. Let's make ocean deep. You will need Premo and Spanish olive, Premo in forest green, Souffle in cornflower, and Souffle in bluestone. If any of you are wondering if it's okay to mix Souffle with Premo, I can say that it's perfectly fine to mix different kinds of Sculpey. I even mix colors across brands. Mix 1 part of cornflower with 1 part of bluestone. Cut the Spanish olive and forest green in fourths. Then, mix all of these together. Finally, we're down to the last color. Let's make Citronella. Mix 1 part of this souffle in latte. Then add 1/8 part sunshine. Finally, add 1/2 pumpkin. I was actually surprised by how much I love this color. It really gives autumn vibes. And that is it for this weekend's color mixing video. I actually made a new slab using the exact same colors and came up with this floral slab, which I will be sharing in next week's video. If you haven't yet, I hope that you consider liking, sharing, and subscribing to the Craft Time Studio for your weekend dose of crafts. Have a crafty weekend. Bye!